Remove the radio navigation unit from Fiat 2018, which is similar to the older models. The tools that you need is a Torx screwdriver size T25 and this yellow dashboard removal tool. The first step, you pop up this bezel around the AC control. It doesn't have any screws, just pop it up. And then there are two screws size T25 Torx. You need to remove them. And once you get those out, and then you can pop out the silver panel on the dashboard. And now the four screws are exposed, then you can remove those four around the radio. Once you get those four screws out, then you can pop out the whole radio with the AC vent cover. Here you go. And now you can see the mounting screws for the radio, which are the same thing, size T25 Torx. Once you get those four screws out, then you can remove the whole radio. And these are all the antenna connectors. You just have to push the clip in to remove the connectors. And the last one, just have to rotate this lever over the plug, and then you can get the disconnect the plug. And if you need any repair for the radio, the navigation, or the touch screen, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.